Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Friday, the 8th of August 2025. From our studios in Jimmy, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at our surface chart analysis here, we have Dominica in the green circle. We are monitoring a tropical wave, some 1,300 miles out in the Atlantic, and that is the Central Atlantic, as it continues to move in a northwesterly direction towards the region of the Lesser Antilles. Here we can see some of the convection associated with that system out in the Atlantic here, as this system has some associated disorganized shower and thunderstorm activity. Again, Dominica in the green circle. Now, taking a look at the projection. This system is expected to move in a generally northwesterly direction and remaining over the open waters of the Atlantic. And there is a 0% chance, or a low chance, of that system becoming a tropical depression within the next 2 days, and a medium chance, that is 50%, of that system becoming a tropical depression within the next 7 days. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with that feature, here we can see the moisture and increasing moisture levels associated with that feature here as it continues to move in a northwesterly direction with Dominica here in the green circle. Our concern here is this area of moisture which continues to move closer to the island chain, and this is expected to result in an increasing moisture levels across Dominica by around Sunday and into Monday. So we should look out for that. Now, taking a look at siren dust, here we can see some siren dust lingering in the region of Dominica. So again, we're advising people with respiratory sensitivities to be on alert. And also we can see some siren dust interacting with that tropical wave. This is the region of that tropical wave, and this is Saharan dust here as it continues to interact with that tropical wave here. Now, taking a look at earlier satellite imagery, here we can see the movement of clouds, some thunderstorm cells as well, in association with that tropical wave, which continues to move in a northwesterly direction. We can also see some siren dust in the region of the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica in the green circle, with a relatively dry atmosphere observed in the region of Dominica as well. Now, taking a closer look, Dominica did experience fair to partly cloudy skies, with most of the cloudiness experienced across the eastern section and interior section of Dominica. Now, taking a look at earlier radar imagery, what it indicated, relatively dry atmosphere across Dominica today, with some showers being observed across the islands to the north and south of Dominica. Tonight's weather is expected to be fair to partly cloudy and slightly hazy, with a few scattered showers or a few isolated showers, with temperatures expected to be down to 25 degrees Celsius on the coast and 24 degrees Celsius in the interior. And tomorrow, similar conditions can be expected, fair to occasionally cloudy and slightly hazy, with a few isolated showers, with temperatures expected to be up to 33 degrees Celsius on the coast and 29 degrees Celsius in the interior. Some relatively cooler temperatures expected on the eastern coast, up to 32 degrees Celsius. Sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. High tide tomorrow will be at 4:02 a.m. and 5:09 p.m. and low tide will be at 10:56 a.m. and 10:20 p.m. For the next 3 days beginning tomorrow, fair to partly cloudy skies and slightly hazy conditions can be expected on Saturday as well as Sunday, with a few isolated showers. However, by Monday, we are at yellow vigilance, as we expect to see an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and the possibility of isolated thunderstorms. So as a result, we are advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert as we move into Monday. Some high temperatures can be expected on Saturday and Sunday, so you're advised to stay cool and stay hydrated during Saturday and Sunday. Light winds expected throughout the period, with winds peaking between 20 to 25 kilometers per hour and seas down to 5 feet for the next 3 days. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:49 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:32 p.m. Again, stay informed, stay safe. Scan our QR code here to follow us on our WhatsApp channel, and also search Dominica Met to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, or visit our website at weather.gov.dm for up-to-date weather information. Stay informed, stay safe, have a good weekend. See you next time.